What you doing, buddy? You're so cute. Hi, baby. You checking out to see what book you want to read? No, he's like, I love the... Hi, my king. Thurston, are you sexy? Good boy. That's my macho bear. Look how handsome he is. Hi, baby. Thurston, can you be a tiger? Sing Andy Griffith. Thurston, sing Andy Griffith. That's lame. You're so handsome. What are you looking at? Buddy, what are you looking at? I know what you're doing. That's my macho bear. Come over here. Come give the kitty kiss. Come give Papa a kiss. Come on. Come here. Come to Mommy. There's... Come here. Do you want to come give Papa a kiss? Hello. So handsome. So handsome. I am going to be 19 years old in just a few months. Ooh, that's so handsome. Oh, you are so sexy. You're so sexy. I love it when you do that. Hey, sing Andy Griffith. You're so silly. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. You want to get some kisses? Very handsome. No kisses? What you doing? Hello. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Hi, my king. Hello. Giant face. Give the kitty kiss. Whoop. Give the kitty kiss. Want to give the kitty kiss? Give the kitty kiss. Give the kitty kiss. Give the kitty kiss. You give Tessa a big kiss? Give the kitty kiss. Tessa, you look a little put out. Oh, there's your doppelganger. You're so cute. What do you think about that? Sexy boy. Very sexy. Very sexy. Hello. What are you doing? You're coming to say hello to Mommy. Oh, I love you very much. You're a very good boy. Very good boy. Very good. What's that noise? Thurston, call the kitty, Thurston. Call the kitty. Call the kitty. Oh, hello. Hello, baby. Look at that big giant face. You're huge. Hi, Mama. Oh, so cute. Well, hello. Very sexy. Hi, my king. Oh, hello. I love you. What were you doing? Huh? You walking around? Yes. I don't think Kitty's gonna let you in. Oh. I don't think she's gonna let you in, Thurston.